Do you know where there's a town shaped like a snail? You'll find a charming resort in the shape of a snail in Friuli, Venezia, Giulia. The town's name is Lignano Pineta, and it sits right beside the Adriatic Sea. The idea for its street plan, which is one of the most unique in the world, came from the Udine architect Marcello d'Olivo, who won a competition in the 1950s for this innovative design. D'Olivo wanted to build a new town immersed in a pine forest, with streets that would follow a spiral pattern like that of a snail shell. In Lignano Pineta, the roads are not called streets, but arcs and rays, and there are no crossroads and no traffic lights. A number of iconic mid-century villas were built, nestled among the greenery, but there are also many holiday homes with original architecture there too. Lignano Pineta is a peaceful place for a holiday, and just a short walk from the beach you'll find the tranquil Parco del Mare, literally sea park. The park is a kind of open-air art gallery displaying numerous sculptures carved from the typical local stone from Aresina. The park also has big play areas for children and tennis courts. The town's distinctive shape has become the symbol for the city of Lignano Sabbiadoro, and that's why you'll see a spiral on its flags.